Introducing the future of electric vehicle charging, the HitchCharge. The revolutionary device that redefines road trips for EV owners. Harnessing the power of the road. Vertical motion of the wheel is converted by HitchCharge into electricity while you drive. It's energy efficiency at its finest, no stops, no worries, just uninterrupted travel. Start with a fully loaded battery. As you hit the road, HitchCharge captures vertical axle movements into electrical energy, seamlessly delivering it back to your car's battery. It's like having a mobile charging station on board the car. Designed with cutting-edge regenerative technology, HitchCharge is efficient, lightweight, and easy to install. Attach it to your car's hitch, plug it in, and let it do the rest. Whether you're commuting or taking a cross-country adventure, HitchCharge gives you the freedom to go farther without the need to search for charging stations. HitchCharge, because the journey should be just as limitless as your destination. Learn more and order yours today at hitchcharge.com. Power your journey, every mile, a smile all the way.